because I want to know how to support you, because I know this is real stuff. Okay, do you have your answers? Last thing, write a 3, circle it. Write a statement of one thing that really hit home for you today. Just a quick sentence or a statement of something that really hit home for you today. It could be something you learned. And I really want to hear your feedback, because this presentation is not about what Amy Waddle has to teach you, but that we're in this together. And I want to know how to support you. And you doing this is also going to help me help other students at other schools, right? So write that right now. And then when you're done, they're going to pass them to the sides. So we want to have teachers collect them for us. Just pass them down, turn them over, pass them down. Okay, let's give them the Teen Line Online cards. All right, so you should only have, you can even pass your pencils so I can reuse them for the next putt-putt game. My next putt-putt game. All right, as soon as you give up your pencil and your paper, I want you to look at me so I can give you some treats. Pencils would be great. No, they need to turn them in. Yeah. Unless they're like really attached to it. All right, who wants some treats? I need some other arms. Dude, can you help me? Come on up here. Be careful, please. This isn't a Dodgers game. Don't worry. No. Stay up there, please. Everyone will get one. Stay up there. Everyone's going to get one. Don't worry. Everyone's going to get one. All right. Yes. All right, everybody have a seat. Have a seat. We'll get you your bracelets. We'll get you your bracelets. Have a seat. This is not a Dodgers game. Jeez. Woo! All right, Ryan. Thank you. Okay, Ryan, give him a round of applause. Hand them out. Nope, stay seated. They're going to take them down and pass them down, and then I've got a whole bunch more. Have a seat. You should have a bracelet, and if you don't, I'll get you one. Okay? And I need to wrap up, so I want your all attention, please. Okay, that's enough bracelets. Good. Thank you. All right. Have a seat, please. Everyone will have plenty of bracelets. Okay, I'm going to take you all to the next Dodgers game with me, because that was amazing. All right. Here we go. Why we were here today? Can anyone tell me why we were here today? One hand. Why were we here doing this? Keep it serious, okay? Okay, learn about depression. Who else? Why were we here? To learn about mental health. That's right. If you or someone you know is going through it, you can help them figure that out. That's right. And the thing that I want to take I want you to take with you today was you are not, you are not, you are not. Okay, next question. Oh, I'm so happy you guys are happy and smiling and all like, yay, bracelets. Because some people are like, who cares? So that's nice. It makes me feel really good about myself. And that dude has like 10 on his wrist. What? Okay, last question. Here's my call to connect. Shh. Last important thing, and then you can go off and do your next class. If you say, Amy, this really hit home for me. I've been there. Or I'm there right now, and I waited a really long time to say anything. I don't want to have to do this anymore, and I really want to connect with you. I really want to have a conversation. Just have someone listen. I don't want advice. I don't need a therapy session. I just need to talk to somebody who gets it. Like me, I get it. I have Renee, I have Trista. They are just like me. They have their own personal stories. They work with youth. They are here today to connect if you want to do that. So this is my call to connect. I want you to be brave, just like me. Because being brave is not the absence of fear. It's doing what you're afraid of anyway. And I want you to know that when you do that, it means everything to you and to the person you're connecting with, because we are in this together. We're in this